how to cancel Xbox Game Pass on Xbox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Xbox Game Pass subscription or turn off auto renew directly on your Xbox. So you don't need to use a phone or computer to do this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is turn on our Xbox, log in, make sure it's connected to the internet, and then on your controller, select the Xbox button, the button that lights up, so the menu opens here, and then use the right bumper to go over to Profile and System. Once on Profile and System, scroll down, select Settings, and then in the settings, all we need to do in this left menu here is go down to Account, and then go to the right and select Subscriptions. You may need to unlock your Xbox, so do that. Give it a second to load your subscriptions, and then find under the Active section, Xbox Game Pass. Select that. Once you get in here, you can either turn off recurring billing or just go down to cancel subscription, select that, and then just select turn off billing right here. Give it a second to load and process. And once it says you have successfully turned off recurring billing, as you can see, your subscription will expire on the date provided and you've now canceled your subscription. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.